Children, welcome back to your VVPS e-learning class, children. As you all know that yesterday I have completed your question answers. Today I am going to complete your who said the following and true and false. That are the next questions given in your book, students. So what you all have to do? You all have to complete these two exercises also in your fair copy of English literature, students. Use blue and black pen and continue with the same page. No need to change the page, and give one line space between questions and answers so it will be look beautiful. Complete your question answers perfectly. After that, read the question that you have written in the sequence or not. Okay, and check the answers also, spellings are correct or not. Okay, students, so you have to revise it and learn it also. This is your homework for today. And please, students, use blue and black pen and write in neat and clean handwriting, students. Okay, and if you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also, children. So let's continue with the true and false and who said the following, children.
Morning, children. As you all know that yesterday I have completed your question answer. Today I am going to complete the true false and who said the following. So mention today's date, that is 23/11/20. Lesson 8, the pupil of Ramnagar classwork at the right side. Some of the following sentences are true and some are false. Copy the true sentences in your notebook. Can you make the false sentences into true sentences? So the first statement is given like this: the men were cutting the tree with penknives. So it is a correct sentence. You all know that in the story it is given that the men were village cutting the tree with penknives. So it is true statement. So we can write true here. Okay. Come to the second. The tree was 2 meters tall. So it is false, because the tree was 2 meters wide. So write the sentence like this: the tree was 2 meters wide. This is true statement. Come to the next. By the side of the ant hill was a long line of men. So you all know that it is given incorrect. So it is false statement. So we can write the correct one. By the side of the ant hill was a long line of women. This is true statement. Come to the next. The chief clerk said the villagers were dangerous. This is false statement, because it is not said by the chief clerk. So the chief clerk said that he don't know about villagers. Now it is true. So we can write true. The district officer did not want to change the plan. It is false statement. So the true statement is the district officer want to change the plan. So you can write true here. Come to the next. The people of Ramnagar were mad. This is false statement. The people of Ramnagar were clever. It is true statement. So you can write true here. Okay, students. So again I am repeating, the men were cutting the tree with penknives. It is a it is a true statement. So we can mention here true. The tree was 2 meters tall. It is false statement. So we can write false in front of that. And the true statement is like this: the tree was 2 meters wide. Okay, students? You can write true here. By the side of the anthill was a long line of men. It is false statement. We can write it like this: by the side of the anthill was a long line of women. It is true sentence. Next, D. The chief clerk said the villagers were dangerous. It is false statement. You all know it is not said by the chief clerk. So the chief clerk said that he don't know about the villagers. It is true sentence. Next is the district officer did not want to change the plan. It is false statement. The district officer want to change the plan. Now it is true statement. The people of Ramnagar were mad. So according to the story, it is not true. So it is false statement. The people of Ramnagar were clever. Now it is true. Come to the next, third question. Answer the questions about these lines from the story. The villagers were very angry. They sat in the meeting for 3 whole days. At last, they thought of a plan. So the question is asking, why were the villagers angry? So the answer is, according to the lesson, the villagers were very angry because the map of the new road is going to pass close to their village. It will go some of their best fields and destroyed it. That's why they are very angry. So the next question is, what did they talk about at the meeting? They talk about the construction of road and how can they change the route of the new road going to be passed through their some of the best fields. Okay children, it is clear to you all? Question is asking that what did they talk about at the meeting? So they talk about the construction of the road and how can they change the route of the new road going to be passed through their some of the best fields. According to the story, you all know that the route which is going to be passed through their village side of the village, it will destroy their some of the best fields. That's why they are talking about them in the meeting, is that they can change the route of the map. Okay, what was their plan? So their plan was to show them as a mad pupil in front of the townsmen. Now children, it will be clear to you all. What was their plan? So according to the story, their plan was to show them as a mad pupil in front of the townsfolk, townsmen. It is clear to you all? So the last question is, did their plan work? The answer is yes, their plan worked. They get success in their plan of work. Okay, students, what you all have to do, you all have to complete in your English literature fair copy with the help of blue and black pen. Please give one line space like this and write it neatly, nicely, correctly. Spellings are correct. Please check it again that you have written as same as I have given in this your copy. So, and what is your homework? Your homework is to learn this true false and this answer the following questions according to the story. So, and if you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also children. Please use blue and black pen. Again I am saying, so it will be highlighted clearly as I have completed. You also completed like this using blue and black pens children, and learn it also. This is your homework. So complete it neatly, nicely, and check the sequence also that you have written it correctly or not. Okay students, thank you.